Here's 3 more. It's only 4 more. That's crazy. Thanks, Greg. I'm gonna do this. Wait, no, this.
Have you been to Stellamonte?
Have you checked out that collapsed highway yet?
Not yet.
Reports about Stellamont. One of the returning raiders mentioned breaking open an odd-looking container and finding books inside.
Ooh.
That sounds like a good place to start.
Books. Love is a good book.
Have you been up there again?
I'm always up there. Why'd you say it like that? Celeste, don't act like you worried about me. There we are. Go ahead.
Yeah, I was able to pick up a Kettle 3 that was kitted out from one of those.
No, I
items.
saw some of the guns. I don't think I really picked any up.
I always, because even if they're kind of broke, Sandra, you can bring them back and just recycle them. They're always pretty good to pick up.
Oh, here we are. I thought I got a whole lot.
Got 5 blaze grenades too.
Sure.
We'll go put on that looting 2 mark augment. Let's go.
Okay, well, I'm fully kid, so I don't need anything there. We have these, we got these. Okay, so I think I'm good. What's the workshop say? Your food's taking forever? Did you get it delivered? You getting a delivery? Motor. Four gun, I don't really grab it. Okay. Aye, Captain.
Alright, what next, Sandra? What are we doing?
Leaper. Laboratory reagents. Bastion. Ugh. I don't know what we're doing.
For all that stuff, I think Damn Battlegrounds is pretty good.
I don't.
Or if you want specifically industrial stuff.
I've been pestering Tianwen
I
for a
have-
while now, trying to get her to help out around here.
Golly.
Her customer service is questionable, but she's a wizard.
Just
with a
name 1 or
wrench.
2 things.
Well, I have a quest in the Buried City.
Uh-huh.
So I was thinking about going there. Because they got surveyors, right?
Almost everywhere has surveyors except Stellamontis, I think.
I don't know. Part of me wants to go back to the Highlands and just get... Oh, Sentinels. That's right. Sentinels would be there too. The Bastion cells, but I don't know.
On the Bastion cells, I think are really easy in Spaceport.
I gotta kill 2. I need to request a supply drop and kill 2 Hornets as well. So...
We can't do everything all at once, so try and pick 2 things, or 1 thing.
Let's... Okay, we're gonna go to Blue Gate and take a photo of the highway.
Let's do that.
And while we're
And
there,
then we'll see what else we can
I'll
find.
see if I can do a supply drop and kill a Hornet or 2.
Mm-hmm. Good plan.
That's the plan. Ugh. I don't know how to make a supply drop.
And bring some explosives in my back pocket in case we find a Bastion.
Bash. Killed her husband. Whacked him. Can't convince me it didn't happen.
I like the Blue Gate.
Yeah, we could do some field depots. Let's see. Hey yo. Goop spawn. Oh.
This is Shani. Hope you hear me all right.
Woo.
Head to the collapsed highway
What?
and see if you can
I got
find any
ducky.
traces of what caused its destruction.
Sick.
Oh, Sam's making something matter already. So,
Alright, I need to go to the collapsed highway.
yeah.
Go to the collapsed highway. Ammo box.
That's all.
Over here.
Thank you. Am I greedy? Yes, Sam, we did that this morning, I think. Sam said that the ARC carriers can have Sentinel cores in them, but ours did not. We were not so lucky.
Yeah, no, every now and then there's a event where it'll be like ARC carrier event and there'll be more of them. And really worth it because you can find Sentinel cores, you can find Leaper drivers, you can find.
It's on me, I think. Yep.
Yeah, I see. Okay, it's dead. Just keep coming. Just keep running this way. They should miss you, hopefully.
We'll see. ARC really likes me. It really likes me, and I do not like them.
Leaper, over there.
Hey yo, I don't know if we want to do that right now, but
Not right now, but
people
It's
dying
good to know
right
that he's
across
here.
from there. The second guy just saw die over there. Oh, I'm hitting an edge.
yep.
Is
Wow, wow,
that
wow,
why
wow.
the game? Dude, imagine you're just walking around one day in like a country you've never been to on vacation, you hit a wall and it's like out of bounds. That'd fuck
And
me
every
up for
time you
life.
forget about it.
I guess you'd have to. Couldn't let you live. Ugh.
We need another ranger around these parts.
Gross,
What?
hello, welcome in. Thank you for the resub, I appreciate it.
Alright, so they're calling in a supply drop.
Wait, how do I do it? I want to do it.
Oh, my bad.
Bitch.
You just go up and hold E.
Over here.
Oh, you have to do it at a place.
Yeah, you can't just call them in anywhere. And now we wait, and eventually a thing will
I'll,
drop in.
I'll watch for it. There it is. Is that it? Am I done? Surely that's it.
Fireball burner.
Nope,
that was a firework.
No, that was the supply drop thing. It calls for it.
Oh, got it.
Now we gotta be careful because other people can see that.
Right.
The good thing for us is supply drops suck.
Is this
People
the
see that
highway
and go,
I gotta take a
yes,
picture?
but first go open your supply drop.
Where is it?
Because that's why you gotta look in the sky and watch it. But I did, so. One,
A raider cache. Over there.
Hey, yo.
and then there's the supply
Supply
drop.
drop.
Okay. Bandages. Grenades. Ammo.
Open it, I'll protect you.
Appreciate. There's a guy right behind you, so.
I know.
Got it. Ain't got much, man.
As it goes.
Ain't got much. Alright.
Let's go get that highway picture.
Get a highway picture. Man, more people dying over there.
Yeah.
There must be fighting a bastion or something big.
Or each other.
Well, I guess, but
Most of the time, it's each other.
why can't we all just love each other? Good night, QV. Yes, have a good night's sleep.
Right over here.
The forest. Oh. Take photo. Take photo. Right here. Tick tick. Alright. Took photo.
Nice.
Sorry again, y'all, that I'm kind of sick and ucky. Are you trying to... Alright.
What?
Let me try and go to the end so I can catch your ass when you fall off this thing.
Oh, this spot's goated. It's a different one. This one makes it a bit easier.
Okay.
But they're getting their ass beat over there.
You didn't... What are you doing?
You have to take this first. You have to take it down. You have to do it on the way up.
Oh, okay.
To, like, jump off at the right time.
Alright.
Could still fall, theoretically.
Survey says... You made it.
Goated.
Pretty goated, must say. Pretty goated.
Now I could still... I think I just have to fall, sadly.
Okay. You'll fall on
Yeah,
me?
let me drop on your head. Well, I should take less damage.
Is this a good spot?
Like right there.
Collapsed highway.
Alright. Nope, you missed me entirely.
My bad. Sorry, I found some extra bandages up
Yeah,
there.
you best heal up. Would they have anything good?
No.
Yeah.
That's the
Kind of
sucky
been
part.
the
It's like the game will
consensus.
make you do something like that and it just be like not worth.
Enjoy
But I
the
guess
lurk,
the
Mile.
real
Thanks for being here. I
the real
appreciate
treat
it.
is the adventure
Thank you,
we
thank
had
you.
along the
It'll be
way.
so absolutely crazy. Thank you, thank you. And the moderation work you were doing, absolutely crazy. Thank you, thank
Alright, Sandra.
you. Yep.
We're gonna go see what's going on. And there's a possible Bastion spot over here.
That's what I was
Bastion
saying. I
slash
thought they might
Bombardier.
have been fighting a bash, and
Hmm.
so then you were
Always
like,
a Bastion
"Nah."
like up over here. We gotta be careful because there's another wave of people that are gonna be spawning here soon around the 19, 18 minute mark. And they'll be hungry.
Maybe. Do I have anything in my? I don't. Sure. Get over. Bitch, jump! There you go. Oh, careful. They are
Ooh,
right
interesting.
somewhere.
They're close.
Yep. Are they by whatever this is?
There.
No, the town came from where we were.
No.
Yeah, they were like down here somewhere.
There.
Oh, I found them.
Where are they?
Raider.
They're
Okay.
coming toward where we are.
That's not good. How many?
2.
Over here. Over here. Raider.
Raider. There.
Yep. I don't think they see us at all.
No, I don't think this is.
But let's go sit behind this. Let them walk past.
Is there an extract over there?
There is.
Okay.
Farther though, not near us.
I mean, they weren't necessarily coming towards us. They were just going across the
No,
highway.
they're going across. So there's a couple places. The Olive Grove they could be heading to. Get some fruits. Stand behind me, please.
Here.
Well, this open on the backside.
I get it, but that's not where they were. They're going to be in front of us. We could be heading to the ancient fort. Ancient fort got good goop.
Good goop.
Goop goop.
I see them.
In there.
They're killing things again.
But we'll
Yes.
see. Gotta see how these homies are killing everybody. See if they can kill these two lemmings. Wasp is shooting at somebody. I'm seeing wasps get shot, but can't hear it. They're in that house right there.
Watch out. A wasp. There, by the house.
It blew up. There's one flare. Sandra, this might be our time to get active.
Alright. Oh, second flare.
Another flare. Alright, the problem is we gotta deal with these wasps. Alright,
There. Raider, there.
Leaper's on his ass.
Oh, yikes.
Fuck him. It's pretty base.
That's fucking rough.
Raider.
Sandra, we're kinda in the open. Let's go get by this tree.
Down there.
You don't go get him?
Oh. I do, but I don't want to get yoinked by... One sec, let's just chill for a moment.
Raider.
Lever might get his ass. Are all those sounds just from one gun?
Yep.
Okay. Got him.
Leaper got him. Leaper got him. Now we wait.
There's another guy.
Oh, someone just fucking got boinked.
Raider, there.
This guy got boinked.
Going towards us.
Yep, that's okay. I'm
get
just
it?
gonna chill here.
No.
Because he got sniped by somebody. That guy.
Raider.
Ah, okay.
That's kind of why I don't want to just jump in there. I want to know
There's a lot of
all the
people.
factors first. Yeah.
I think the Leaper's going after the top guy, though.
I don't even know where the Leaper is right now.
It went. It's over there.
Oh, yeah, it is after that top guy. Man, these guys are going through fucking hell.
The arc is rough, dude.
Mm-hmm.
I think that guy's there.
Look, there.
Okay. Let's move.
Yeah. That must be top guy fighting them. Sammy's coming. He's closer.
Who?
Raider, there.
The guy who lands. He's running from the. Oh, there's two of them. Yep.
Yep, he's fighting a team. Just fine. Someone's gonna win that battle, and then we shoot them. There's too much going on right now for us to throw our hat in the pile.
Yeah. Sorry, chat. I'm trying to see good. But I think there's people up on the hills on our right too. So I'm not trying to be
There
spotted.
is. There's
Yeah.
people over there. And the people that were in front of us over here kind of disappeared. Oh, there he is.
Raider, there.
Yeah. Is that him shooting?
Yeah,
I saw a nade, I
he's shooting
think.
at somebody else.
Yeah. Someone up the hill. Really can't see the numbers.
There's two people right there.
Raider, over there.
No, I know that.
Yeah.
I can't see who they're shooting at.
No, I can't see who they're shooting at either. They just burst someone's shield. So bad I want to throw a trigger grenade over there.
It's not worth it because I'm the people up the hill now.
I know, there's 3 teams active right now. There's a team up the hill, this team, and then one down there. Wait it out.
I don't see it anymore.
One's still like in that bush in front of us.
The other one push up.
I don't know, looping around or something. I'm sure we'll hear somebody get active sooner or later. Yep, there they are. Both pushed up.
Raider, over there. A raider.
Looks like they're looking for the guys. They don't know where they are.
I don't know where they are. I haven't seen them the entire time.
The good thing is we have a Raider hatch key. We don't have to run into any of these dudes at the end.
Okay.
Plus, it sounds like this Leaper is taking a hell of a beating. Oh, sounds like they found him. Could just be Ark.
I don't know if the Leaper ever died either.
No, well, that's a good thing for us because I have some bombs. We could kill it pretty easy. It definitely took some damage from all them.
Brother.
My bad. My bad.
What
I
do you mean,
slipped.
my bad?
My bad.
What are you doing? There's people up this hill. Almost positive.
I know.
I would work our way around to the east up the. Oops, sorry.
Oh.
An arc orbiter
Sandra,
is there.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Closing. You have 10 minutes to return to Speranza. I repeat, 10 minutes.
So we gotta move now.
My bad.
What were you doing? Are you tabbing in and out?
I don't know what happened, honestly. I just clicked. I didn't mean to.
Oh my goodness. I thought I was getting fucking boinked from behind.
No, I thought there were people up here, so.
There's Leapy Man.
The ruined homestead.
Is he upset?
No.
Then there's probably no one up here anymore, right?
It's about to be though.
Really?
Stay, go get in that tower.
There.
In the tower. Alright.
So what I ping. Yep.
Why?
So I'm about to make Leaper Boy upset.
Okay.
I'm hoping to kill him quick, but if I don't.
I
Oh my
don't got a
goodness.
sniper on me.
That's okay. 2 people just died.
Well, that's good for us. All this stuff has been scavenged.
3 people just
were up
died.
here. To the Leaper or to each other?
To each other.
Oh, Sam Leaper.
He's curious. He hasn't seen me yet.
Is he curious about you, or was there someone else?
About me. Sucks. I didn't want to make a bunch of noise and draw them near, but
Sorry.
it's gonna be less people now, so I'm just gonna do it. Come here, Mr. Leaper. I got quota to make.
Whoa! Sam!
What?
He's on top of my tower! Ah! Did I? There ain't no way I aggroed him.
Oh, I probably just saw you from a distance.
Brother. You over here? Nope. Oh my god.
Just stay in the tower. You should be fine.
Brother, he could get in the tower.
Stay in the bottom of it. So you're chilling.
Yeah, I'm chilling. Totally chill. Is he walking away?
Your job is to watch my back to the best of your ability.
Yeah, I would love to do that if I could stay on top of my tower and not get jumped by leapers. Oops. Alright. I'm so bad at this game. You alright? You need me to distract him?
I'm fine.
Flying again. Leaping, I guess you could say. Is that it? He's dead?
He's dead. But stay up there and just keep a lookout and see if anybody's coming up. There are people not that far away.
They still fighting somewhere?
I don't know. I haven't heard them, but they killed everybody over there, so just being cautious.
They could have been killed by Ark, too.
I don't think so. They were shooting at each other when it happened. So I'm going to do my best to collect all this gup and then I'll share with you. Just watch my back.
All raiders, we have Ark on screen. 5 minutes left. Go find a way home. I repeat, 5 minutes.
I hear the gunshots.
Sorry, this is me shooting.
I can't hear that, it's too far. Heard that.
Good. Okay. I think I got all the Leaper loot. It wasn't as much as I thought it was going to be. You know, sometimes it's like hit or miss with those.
Okay.
But I got you 2 Leaper cores, which isn't nothing.
That might be the rest I need.
Alright. Come get it. Jump over here and roll. You
Right.
chose the longest path. Like the highest jump. Alright, there you go. And then you can take these as well. You need some of this too.
Okay.
Alright, sick.
Where are we gonna extract?
You can extract right over here. Did you pick up all that stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, let's go.
What's red over there, Sam?
What?
We got some angry Ark in the air over there.
There are some angry Ark in the area, Sandra. Good eyes.
Yep. Which probably means there's people over there.
Could mean. Here, hop in here with me.
You just want to stand in here?
If they want this goop, they can try. They will not have a good time. They gotta be, I don't know, there's the last extract is off that way in the forest where we spawned.
Mm-hmm. They were closer than that.
But there's a raider hatch in between here and there.
I didn't
And that's
see
where
that
we
on
want
our
to
way
go.
up. Oh, okay.
Last chance to
Let's
get
just
out
start
safely.
slowly walking.
I repeat, 2 minutes.
It does kind of suck because part of me wanted to like spend a little bit of time trying to find some of
loot
those bodies.
Yeah.
I know there's some goop bodies out here. But we can still find some on the way.
Follow the trail of destruction to Broken Earth. Are you going that way?
Yeah. No.
Ah, well.
We're leaving. Goop, goop, goop. Oh, he was fucking gooped up. Like someone took all that shit.
Right.
Alright, alright. So no dice there. Alright. Sandra,
Is what it
let's
is.
leave.
Going. Yo. Goop goop. Did I not get any extra creds for calling that supply drop? Do I have to call it? I have to look and see. Yeah, same. I gotta request a supply drop for it to count, I guess.
Oh, my bad, G.
Right. It'll never be the same between us. I
okay.
can't believe you've done this. Yes.
My bad.
No, where's the... Yes. I just need a fried motherboard now for that one. Look at all these... there we go. Not bad, so I'll accept it. Pardon me.